Hi everybody, dear doctors, nurses and perfusionists, all those who are interested in ECMO. I would like to invite you all to attend our ECMO troubleshooting workshop that will be held on the sideline of the 𝐀𝐡𝐦𝐚𝐝 conference next February here in Kuwait. In this workshop we will have a hands-on training on how to deal with ECMO emergencies. Some of these emergencies are quite often that can be encountered daily, like the access insufficiency, and some of them are very rare, like the power failure scenario. But if it happens, it has to be dealt with quickly and properly. So whether you are just establishing a new ECMO service at your place, or you are already dealing with ECMO cases on daily basis, this workshop could be very beneficial to you. So looking forward to seeing you all. Take care.